Hey, how is all going? We're in for a bit of a treat today. We're going to have a little snack. You can use this as an entree, you can use this as a main meal, but it's a real ripper. This is a little tip I got from a mate of mine using my Rogan Josh curry kits, authentic and traditional Indian curry. So check that out on the website. Barney Barn Dog, he's come up with this great idea to season lamb cutlets and make lollipops. So we're going to do Rogan Josh Lollipops with lamb cutlets here today. Let's rip into it. So tear that off, give the packet a bit of a shake, mix all those spices through. That's looking good. We're going to chuck some of them on the plate and simply dust the chops. So Rogan Josh onto the plate, swap that to the side, and path. Look at that. Absolutely wonderful. Look at those colours. Absolutely wonderful. Very good for the immune system. Really good for your health. For all these turmerics and, oh gosh, cumin, all sorts of stuff in here. But Rogan Josh, if you like it hot, add a bit of chilli to it. So you can put a bit of a burn into it. Entirely up to you. Oh, I'm getting excited here now. We'll pop that out of the way. We'll bring all this a bit closer to the fire. So we've got a lovely bed of coals here on the quokka. Wonderful, wonderful fire pit. I can't express it enough. It is so versatile, has so many great features, all stainless steel. We're going to whop those on there, nice and close to the coals. We'll give them a good sear for about a minute or two on either side. Flip them over, raise the heat and let them cook. Beautiful. The kids will be fighting, the mozzies will be biting. Geez, who forgot the air regard? Couple of minutes on either side. I can see a bit of fat burning there. We're getting some smoke. Let's turn them and see how they look. Oh, Bertie, have a look at that, mate. Step outside and have a crack at these. So, another couple of minutes on that side. We can raise them and let them finish. They're seared up nicely. They are looking flippin' sweet. You beauty. Now there's a couple of minutes on the flip side. Let's see how they're going. And, oh, absolutely amazing. Beautiful. They're looking great. Just what I like to see. Oh. Now, to let them finish cooking, they've got a nice sear there. I'm getting fat falling at them to avoid fat fires. We just want to raise that up off the heat. So again, a great little feature of the quokka is these increments on the side here. So up they come, bring it off the heat a bit, and this side, let them finish cooking. Mate, my worms are biting, my nose is flared, just can't wait. These are absolutely beautiful. Righto, now we have the finished product. I don't know, Bertie, but wrap your laughing gear around one of them, mate. Have a go at this. We'll transfer them onto a plate. Absolutely wonderful. Looky, looky. Ranger Nick's curry kits. Thank you very much, Barn Dog Barney. As I said, if you like your chilli and your Rogan Josh, you can add a bit of chilli to it. Control your own heat. That's one of the best things about the curry. Alright, I'm going to get stuck into these. Absolutely wonderful, as I said, an entree, finger food. Wonderful at a party for people to just walk past. Pick one up in their claw and tear a hunk off. One of the best lollipops you'll ever taste. Get it, India.